Second party
Go-off
only.
mic na rin ako mga
Shallow,
niga.
5,
Tangina, alas
4,
2 ang
3,
GCTA
2,
kayo. Putang
1. Second
ina.
party only. Oh, come back.
Lariel, totoo ba yan? Alas 2 yung GCTA
Look at
kaya?
me. Get ready. Oh, Nani.
Hulaan ko, nire-raid nyo. Tama.
Yo, get ready. Pil up. Just wait.
Lariel, out na rin muna ako.
Yo,
GG's.
listen, I'm fake engaging only. Oh, Nani. Yo, Marley ka, get ready. Northeast side by the mage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 by the mage now. Come back fast. Yo, peel. Logos, come back.
Hitting in the back.
Yeah, I know. No, pull back fast. Spread. Cleanse. So slow. Peel up. Heal up only.
Yo,
Man, so slow,
coming.
man.
Longbow coming.
Yo, second party, look at the choke. East side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look. On the east side. Come back. They blink. Come back. Yo, where's the banner? Cleanse so slow, man. The cleanse is so slow. You guys are clumping up like really hard on there. The healers, just chill. Odani. Yo, listen, can I get a GA on the tanks on my east side? I wanna engage shallow on the north side, okay? Get ready. When I'm engaging, GA them already so I don't get stopped, okay? Yo, look at northeast side shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast side shallow. Alright, come back fast. Nice, okay. Kidnap this. Bridle inside. Somebody watch that bridle. Heal up fast. Hello, healers. Oh, it's Black Moon dead. Again. Fuck. Odani. Yo, OC. Just wait.
Bomb setting.
Everyone, get ready. Hold. Second party only. Look at me, shallow. Second party only. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on me. Second party. Then come back. Come back fast. Northeast shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast shallow now. Now come back fast. Spread. Give me a locus and come back. Come back fast. Heal my front line. They're stepping up. Okay, good engage there. Just come back. Okay, heal up my front line. Heal up.
Fallen.
I need an earlier fallen, okay?
Kidnap yung tank ko sa loob. Heal. Someone heal.
Yo, Marlika, get ready. Look at east side of me. Shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side of me, shallow. Come back fast. Heal up. Spread. Gala inside, careful. Spread. Southwest side. Ready, defend now. Heal up only. Yo, brawl inside. Kidnap the tank inside. Can we hold the tanks inside? Can you GA? Anyone GA? Oh, Rani. Look at the inside of me. Get ready. Everything inside of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside of me now.
One tank behind ah.
Divided. Nice. Divided. Come up. Spread southwest side. Divided.
Needle
What? The fuck?
What the fuck was that?
Yo, honey, don't jump like that. Yo, get ready. Can you GA this 2 tanks in front of me? Wait. I'm gonna ping on pro. This guy, and then
What the fuck?
it's I'm gonna start marking for you guys. Yeah, you see 2 tanks, right? Those 2 tanks in front. That's always just stopping my engage, right? Can you GA them every time I step up and engage? Okay. Yo, hold on. Yo, get ready. Step up now. Yo, J now. East side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side now. Yo, come back fast. You give me a locus and come back fast. Heal up my front line. Heal up my tanks. Come back
shouting.
fast.
Gala stacking.
Gala inside. Careful. Just... So, Donnie. Can you GA much earlier? Okay. Oh, Donnie. Malika, get ready. Shallow on the mage, okay? Get ready. Okay, good. Shallow on the mage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on the mage now. On the mage now. On the mage now. Give me heals. Give me heals in the front. Come back. Heal Abby. Heal Abby. Heal Abby. Heal Abby.
Why is the GS so deep? What the fuck? What's
Heal up,
he
heal up,
doing
heal up,
so
heal up.
deep, bro?
Shit.
Where's my banner? Yeah, look at me. Look at me. Fast engage on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fast engage on me. Come back fast, come back fast, come back fast. Yo, can I get like a hammer to CC? Like use your E every time I engage. Heal up my front line. 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 Yo, kill this guy. Kill this guy. Kidnap this guy. Kidnap this guy. Snare him. Snare him. Yeah, just Q and W's on him. Q and W's. No need to no need to E. Ay, good.
Ay, nananalo kayo ah.
Get ready. Shallow east side. Wait. Come back. Hold on. Yo, very shallow. Get ready. Very shallow. Hold. I
Leave
need
it
a
back,
hammer
leave
to
it back.
CC, okay? Yeah, kidnap this guy. Northeast shallow. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast shallow. Then come back fast now. Come back fast now. Full pull back. Yo, locus. Yo, cleanse. Guardian armor my backline, okay? Yo, help my backline. Nice. Heal up. Yo, heal up my backline. Heal up my backline. Good. Let's brawl. Kidnap this guy inside. Heal up Atom.
Gala Nord.
Heal up Atom fast. Okay, good. The mage is already 1/4, right? Can we not leash the mage? Yo, Merlica on the mage. Everything on the mage. Get ready. Yo, step up on me fast. Step up on me fast. On the mage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the mage now. Fuck, man. I need the damage there. Come back. Just Knight armor coming back. Yo, heal my front line. Why is he tilted? Fuck.
He was on the west side. He got broad.
Yo, listen, DPS, you need to hit the mage. I need to lower down it to the next level. On the mage, shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, mage. Now come back. Okay, good. That's enough. That's enough already.
Not get it,
Yeah,
not
I see
get
the
it,
north.
get
I see the
it.
north. Just come southwest fast. Okay, heal up.
Gala.
Yo, listen,
Side.
slowly but surely. Okay,
Flying, flying.
kill everything inside. Kill the gala. Nice,
We got
gala.
it, we got it.
Smack by a miss.
Galing ko
Yeah.
doon, nahuli ko yun.
Yo, listen. Okay, the mage is already on middle HP, right? The only thing we need to do for this next 17 minutes is to kill that mage. Every time we kill that, every time we're able to lower down it, okay? Malika, get ready. On the mage, get ready. Okay, kidnap this guy. Yo, kill this Tonsong. Good. Shallow on the mage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow the mage. Pull back. Heal up my front line. Okay, good. Just heal up. Just hold. Yo, I need the mage another level pa. One more engage so that it drops down to the next HP. Yo, Marlika, we need to engage on the mage, okay? All damage on the mage. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mage now. Come back fast. Good job. We're good now.
Good line, thanks.
Yo, come southwest.
Lock in na, ulta.
Yo, we
Lock
can
in
leash
na.
the mage. We can leash the mage there, okay? Heal up.
North.
Heal up only. Defense now inside. Heal up. Yo, kill this inside. Spread. Kidnap this guy inside. We're gonna engage inside. Get ready. Hold this guy inside. Inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill the tanks inside. Nice. Now spread. They're gonna
Not
push
for
in.
defense
They're
in
gonna
North,
push in. Yeah. Just hold them. Yo, listen. Brawl on the west side, boys. Okay? Brawl them on the west side. Just hold them on the west side, okay? Good. Heal up. We're doing good. Just heal up.
Dividend.
Get ready, okay? We're gonna step up again, okay? The mage is already half bar. 2 more bars. Look at the mage. Everything on the mage now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything now on the mage. The mage now. Now come back fast, come back fast, come back fast. Heal my front line. I need heals on my front line. Yo, listen, I need heals on my front line. Yo, listen, I need a fallen every time I'm engaging on the mage. Every time I'm engaging on the mage, I need a
They're
fallen
getting
there.
slowed in the front, guys. We need cleanse
Yeah,
in the
we
front.
need cleanses there. Okay, yo, the mage is almost dead. Okay, the mage is almost dead. Yo, Lupay, the mage is almost dead. Okay, we can full push very soon. Okay, or we can, you know. Malika on the mage, get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the mage now. Mage now, mage now, mage now. Nice. Now come back, come back. Okay, good. Yo, we're at the last bar of the mage. Okay, just don't clump up and don't die, please, boys. Heal my front line. Heal my front line. Heal my
In
front line.
chaos.
We're almost there. Yo, oh my god, man. I just said, do not get clapped inside, boys, man. Come on. Kill this inside. Kill this brawl inside. Kill this brawl inside. Yo, last one on the mage. Get ready. Full engage on the mage. Lupay, on the mage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the mage now. Mage now. Mage now. Mage now. Then pull back. Pull back. Pull back. Pull back. Heal my front line. Heal my front line. The mage is about to die, boys. Come on. Lupay, the mage is about to die. I just need to focus the mage. We can end them here, okay? So,
Heal in the front, boys. Heal in the front. I'm defending ABD right now.
yo, can you guys stop the healer from healing the mage? Just one tank, just CC it every time they holy beam it. They're holy beaming it. Yo, wait. Leash the mage. Come southwest. Leash the mage. Come southwest. Leash the mage. It's okay. Just leash it. Leash it, tanks. Leash it. It's leash. Or come northeast. Sabab. Good. Yo, listen. Only second party, okay? Second party. Get ready. Look at me. Second party. On me shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me shallow. Ay, wait. Come back. Oh, Nani. Get ready. Northeast shallow. Everyone, northeast shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Nice. Come back. Heal up. Yo, give me cleanses and come back fast. Good damage. Heal up my front line. Heal Chaos Order. Heal my front line. Heal Chaos Order in the front.
North,
Heal
north,
Chaos
north,
Order in the
north.
front. Okay, come back. Get up the tanks.
Lipat na
Yes,
mga
sir.
ulit.
Yo,
Forever to
everyone.
kill.
On the mage, get ready, okay? Good. Everyone, on the mage, get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mage. Can come back. Yo, mage is dead, Lupay. Mage is dead. Yo, come southwest. Yo, we wait for engage. Okay, we wait for engage. Just wait.
They're going out,
Okay,
go.
Come
Trying
northeast
to
now.
go.
Come northeast now. Lupay, push it. Heal up my backline. Come northeast. Okay, come southwest. Wait. They're beating us in. Heal up. Yo, come on, boys. Heal up. Wait. Spread. Mahalika, get ready to engage inside, okay? Hold on.